As you can see, the building is in a little bit of a need of repair or tear down. I'm not sure what the project's going to be yet. It's either going to be repair or tear down. I won't know until I really get started and get into the project a little bit. Had a lot of people tell me just tear it down. I really don't know yet. I think there's still some hope that I can repair it. The structure is fairly good, except for some of the floor that's rotten. So let's take a closer look, and then I'll get to work and see what it tells me. Certainly, visibly from the outside, you can see the roof is significantly damaged. You can see that from the inside too. Also, the floor has some significant damage as well, and I believe that's where the root of the problem is specifically right here in this corner. There's a tremendous amount of rot over the years and just neglect that I haven't repaired the building. So as you can also see, it looks like a lot of the structure inside of the building is still relatively in good condition. Let's take a quick look at the exterior damage as well. As you can see, I demoed a lot of the building, and now I've made a determination that the flooring was rotted, but I cut that out. As you can see, many of the joists are still good. Most of the joists are still good. The main runners have some rot on the front of them. It's mainly this front corner that was causing all of the issues. So I'll replace the front of the building, cut that out, and replace the runners. I'll lift the building probably and put it on blocks. Should be a good repair job. So I decided to repair, basically rebuild, partial rebuild, as opposed to demo and tear down the entire building. So we'll see how it turns out. Yesterday got through the foundation piece, which I think is the most important kind of building upon. Redid some of the flooring, the joists, put new boards in, treated wood, raised the building about 4 inches, leveled it, squared it. Finish up framework to do, skinning the building, put the siding and the roofing on. Still have a little demo on the roof side on the other side. Didn't want to take all that down yet, simply because it helps holding some of the framework structure in place. So, getting ready to get started. Should be another great day. The inside of the building is completely finished. New flooring, new supports, a lot of new infrastructure, almost a complete rebuild, but not quite. New siding, new roof. Super solid now. Outside is all done except for painting. So as soon as the building's painting, it's 100% done. It's been a great project. Hope you enjoyed watching.